Waiting for noodles.
And another 250.
Please.
250. Thanks for waiting.
You ready, please?
Okay.
Hello. Musta? What are we having today? Vegetarian spring rolls left.
Really?
Some baoban, chicken and pork. And we got some noodles. I ran out of the chicken and fried rice as well.
Oh, okay. All good.
I think we're going home early today.
Yeah.
For the first
Been a
time.
good day.
So you normally get the pork, you like the veggies?
I have the vegetable
How many, sir?
rolls too.
Anything else? Thank you. See you next week. Hello, sir.
Ayan, mga old customer namin mga yan.
I ran out of pork. We only get vegetable ones. The rice as well. Ginger shop.
I'll get in that case. Do you have pulled pork steam bun or
You got
Yeah,
pork
we got
bars?
pork, yeah.
How many, sir?
just one?
Alright, okay. Thank you. Hello. Hiya.
What is steam bun? Chicken?
One spring roll, yeah?
What's inside this, by the way?
Oh, ginger.
You bought
Fresh
that.
ginger, fresh turmeric, lemon and lime, cinnamon, honey, rosemary, and thyme.